Of modern payments by banking payments. Most people focus on sending payments, but the real complexity often begins when something goes wrong. Whether it's a wrong beneficiary, duplicate payment, fraudulent transaction, or a customer requesting cancellation, financial institutions rely on two critical mechanisms: payment returns, recover funds after the beneficiary has been credited; payment recalls, attempt to stop or recover funds before settlement or final credit. Key difference: recall equals stop it before it's fully completed. Return equals recover it after it has already been credited. Typical return and recall journey: 1. Payment is initiated. 2. Funds are settled/credited. 3. Issue is identified. 4. Return or recall request is raised. 5. Beneficiary bank validates the request. 6. Beneficiary accepts or rejects. 7. Response is returned. 8. Funds are recovered if approved. Common scenarios: checkmark, wrong account number, checkmark, duplicate payments, checkmark, unauthorized/fraudulent payments, checkmark, sanctions or compliance concerns, goods/services not received, customer request cancellation ISO20022, messages involved CAMT.056, arrow request to return a payment, CAMT.029, return response PACS.007 FI2FI payment, recall PACS.002 status/response message. These messages provide structured communication between banks and improve transparency, traceability, and automation across payment networks. What determines success? Speed of detection and action, availability of funds in beneficiary account, cooperation from beneficiary bank, clear supporting evidence, compliance with scheme and regulatory rules. Important reality: many assume a payment can always be reversed. That's not true. Once funds are withdrawn or moved onward, recovery becomes significantly more difficult. Returns and recalls increase recovery chances, but they do not guarantee recovery. Product owner/business analyst perspective: if you're working on cross-border payments, ISO20022, migration Swift payments, fraud and exception management payment operations, understanding the distinction between returns, recalls, CAM.056, CAM.029, PAX.007, and PAX.002 is essential for designing operational workflows, exception handling, customer journeys, and regulatory compliance processes. Payments aren't just about moving money, they're equally about recovering money when things go wrong. Guidance and mentorship for international banking payments, beginners and expert. International banking payments trainer for SWIFT, SEPA, CBPR+, ISO20022, ISO migration, HVPS+.